8 years ago, dito pa ako nakatira sa Baguio. I never thought of leaving or moving into Manila.
7 years ago, I made a crazy joke that one day we'd get married here, kahit hindi pa tayo. Little did I know that simple Riz would actually come true.
I really love Baguio so much. Nasabi ko, dito na ako magtatrabaho at maninirahan hanggang sa pagtanda. But God has a better plan. Ito pala yung dahilan. Ito pala yung plano niya kasi gusto niya makilala kita sa Manila.
Cause you're worth the wait. All of my dark, dim and lonely days. Every goodbye and heartbreak was pointing me home. I was just holding on, praying you'd be out there holding strong. Took me forever to find you, but finally forever's just 2 words away. And baby, you're worth the wait.
Tinatablan!
Sayang ang tato. Nakasira dignidad ko rito ah.
Don't let go. There ain't no take me home. Hold it on. There ain't no love like our love. There ain't no love like our love.
Salam, charot. Hana, saan si Hana? Okay, 0917, QR ng Gcash. QR ng Gcash nandyan. Ayan, ay, yan!
To my Yam, my B, and my Bebe Loves, I still can't believe that I'm writing my own vow now. I never thought that this day would come na ikakasal din ako sa balang araw sa taong tinakda sa akin ni Lord.
We've stood side by side at countless weddings, watching others celebrate their love. I've seen you cry tears of joy for their union. And each time I silently promised myself that one day it would be us, our moment, our love story on full display.
Wala na, lasing na si William. Inubos niya na. Oh. Di ba, balik mo yan sa pote. Uy, ba? Inubos. Inyo nga naman niya, biskuit. Akala ko yun talaga.
William Albert Pitan, take you, Maria Monica Palago, to be my wife. I promise to be faithful to you in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, to love you and honor you all the days of my life.
B, we've been through a lot. Sobrang daming nangyari sa 7 years at maraming beses na din akong sumuko. Pero ikaw, you never gave up on me. You fought for us really hard. You became my strength when I was weak. You protected me. You cared for me so much. You molded me to become the person that I am today.
Insipan, kon, oren, pan, kan, anggapoy, kondisyon, diad, panamig, lay, nasaray. Diketan, angat, saray, elekan, tan, saray, luwa.
Brothers and sisters, welcome to St. Joseph the Worker Catholic Church here in Pactal, William Albert and Maria Monica. So the church welcomes you together with your families and friends who are here with us today.
Was pointing me home. I was just holding on, praying you'd be out there holding strong. Took me forever to find you, but finding forever's just 2 words away. And baby, you're worth the wait. Took me forever to find you, but finding forever's just 2 words away. Baby, you're worth the wait.